Hi all, Niecy Love Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you top stitching on the Kenmore 385.129168990 sewing machine. So let's get started. First, let's talk about top stitching. Top stitching is a decorative stitch in which the line of stitching is to be seen from the outside of the garment. It gives a crisp look to garments or accessories. I created a stitch here, as you can see, and I trimmed the edges. Then I turned the material on itself so wrong sides are together, and then I pressed it with the iron so that I could have a crisp seam. Next thing I'm going to do is top stitch this. So let's look at some of the things that we need to do on the machine. First thing, I want to make sure that I choose this option here where the needle is in the middle of the stitch. I'm looking at the red stitch. So if I look here on stitch number 1, the red line is in the middle, which means the needle will be in the middle. If I look at 2, then the needle will be on the left side. I don't want it on the left side, I want it in the middle. So I need to make sure that it's in the center, which it is. It's on number 1. And then I'm going to make my length 3. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to sew a 1/8 seam allowance down this piece, because usually top stitching is at a 1/8 allowance. Is very close to the edge. So what I'll do is I'll do 2 reverse stitches, 1, 2, and then go forward. Take my time. 2 reverse stitches at the end. Okay, so check out this top stitching. Oh, it looks wonderful. Check the other side to make sure that the thread is going through the machine evenly, and it is. Thanks for watching this short tutorial. Don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel, and cut that notification bell on so you know when videos are coming out. Check us on our socials, leave video comments and ideas and other feedback. Thanks for watching, and happy sewing.